guess you could just see that later. Whatever. Alright, bye. Alright, so we just passed up the first sighting of snow, and Ben didn't want to tell me that it was there so that I could record it. So it's his fault, not mine, even though I'm the one filming this.
Nobody else has to know it was the first sighting
So
of snow.
now you're a liar. Ben, I didn't take you for a liar. Slug. It's right there. Where's that plateau at? You can't even see it on this. See, this is what I get for being on the GoPro bags. At least there's a subway. Why do you get Don't get camera shy. He's like, what?
You just get a bunch of bread and shitty meat. I'd rather make my own sandwich.
That makes sense. Ben keeps having to piss. Oh, what? The temperature actually went up.
Stay hydrated.
Yeah, he's a very hydrated person. This has been my only bottle of water the entire time, and in 2 weeks, like, I'm like a fucking camel. I store water in my humps. I don't know where my humps are, but I got them.
Lovely lady.
Yeah, my lovely lady humps. Okay, trying to get to Garden of the Gods, and Ben brought us over here. I don't know where we're at. Fix it, Ben.
Trying, bro.
Fix it. Alright, so just pulled up to Garden of the Gods, which means it's time for a montage. I'm dying. Oh, it's doing one of these.
It's the Italian.
It's the
Salt Bay outside.
Yeah. Go ahead, give him some Salt Bay. What is it doing? Hold up. What?
I don't know what he does.
Well, but not the upside. Do the chef's. Yeah, the Italian. Yes, all that. There's no bond better than a man in his vehicle.
True that.
True that. Dang, with the phone too? Wow, Benjamin.
What's up?
Benjamin. Ben, what do you think is living in those little cubby holes over there?
Ligers.
Could be like an owl, or a coyote, or a bobcat, or a cougar.
You like cougars?
I mean, you know, the ones in the mountains, maybe not. Ones in the city, Okay, that part's done. We're tired and hungry. It's time to eat. Okay, just got to what's the jig it? Time to check in. Oi, lad, we've made it. All right, time to charge all the stuff and get ready for tomorrow. Breakfast time. Bags, check. Hair, check. Tuli, check. What is big? We got it. Yeah, it's not bad. I know, right? Still never get tired of that crunch. Yeah, you don't.
It's pretty soft.
Well, I tried. Or I could get this side. Alright.
Sorry.
Oh,
shit, dude.
Why? Why do you hate me, Ben?
Tie them up and let your pants go over it so then you don't get fit in your boots. I know it doesn't look as cool, but...
He has a point, though.
Yeah. What's that?
9 degrees. Okay, wrong spot. What's going on, man? Out there. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I went downstairs not knowing where we were going.
You heard me.
Damn, why don't we just tell them where you came from?
I know, right?
Why don't you show us the shortcut, man?
Why didn't you show us the shortcut? You got us going all these other places.
What size shoe you wear?
10. I don't know if I should have something smaller or... I have no clue.
Find out.
Sit down in there for a while.
Okay, time for my onesie. Put that.
Why don't you just like...
Because sometimes it doesn't want to stick. It's a little old.
Oh.
How about you just help me out, Dan? You be the filmer for once. Yeah, you just kind of... I can't take him anywhere.
You mean you can't ride with me anywhere?
I can't. Yeah, he took me. You know. I'm a buff baby, but I look like a man. You ever watch Adventure Time? Okay, now we look official. We've got the goggles on. We got the buff baby suit. Ben's got his chapstick. We're official. We're officially in this. Or, well, we're not on this, but we're in this.
We should have watched YouTube videos.
Probably.
Looking forward that you're gonna eat shit.
Yeah.
Face plate.
I'm a noob. confidence is up a little bit. Let's go. Hey, what's up, Ben?
Good.
Yeah. Look at these guys. Goddamn. Not enough hill, because we suck, so. You can do it, Ben. You can. Very anticlimactic, I know. Oh, there you go. We got this.
My dad when he was like,
It's time to eat. We finna go to Dino's.
Tomorrow.
Round 2 and the muffin's coming with us.
Muffin Man.
The Muffin Man. Buff Baby Chronicles Part 2.
I gotta take my fucking hair off. It's pissing me off.
Oh shit. Yeah. Almost down. But my battery's about to die, so you guys won't get to see the rest of the trip. At least not the trip down the. I can't breathe.
Tier 1 and then just make sure we turn on hookup.
Okay.
Like,
Okay, everything died when I was coming down the mountain, so I couldn't get none of that. But it's a new day. His hair is golden. My hair is black. And we're leaving the hotel we were in order to go to Denver so we can actually party. I don't know if I'm gonna film all that, so this might be the end. And if it's not the end, then I don't fucking know. Whoa, oh. These steps, it's a lot. And I'm tired. I've been tired this whole trip. What am I looking at? 29.
You can check your pulse.
29 steps to go. What's your heart rate? Try your pulse rise. Yeah, man. Y'all can read it. See, I knew I wasn't the only one. They know. It's loud. We made it to Denver. Finna get food as usual after our adventures. Yeah. Is that how they do it? That's how they do it? I don't know. I'm not a good Instagram person. It looks amazing. It looks great. Appreciate it. Alright, that was lunch. It was amazing. It was great. It was good. I don't know what we're about to do now, or what I kind of do, but I don't know if I'm filming that. So, until we meet. Look at that.